Don't people be a flyer, no matter me up in a year a flyer, no matter me fly over a weekend. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
It's going to be I eat good, we come with good food there. And I like what you come out and something and reach me out.
Tasty patty. I'm eating tasty patty. Straight from yard. Straight from Jamaica. Only thing I'm missing is some cocoa bread, but no, I wouldn't be able to eat it now anyway. This tastes so good. I know there's another one called Juicy Patty. Juicy beef? But my sister-in-law said no. She don't want no Juicy Patty. If she don't...
She I live with Juicy beef, Tasties and Mothers.
Alright, so I need to taste all of them. I can't just go with what everybody say. Tasty Patty is just the best. So, Mother? Called Mother? But shout out to Tasty Patty. They all over Jamaica? Or they like based in Kingston? All over? This is so good. The crust is perfect. Yeah, they are so much. We're sitting here juicing and watching Drizzy Burke. If you know, you know. Drizzy Burke is the most enjoyed for me. The most enjoyable Jamaican YouTuber to watch on YouTube. What you call it is also oh God, Dwayne and Kerry. I can't leave Dwayne out. But Drizzy things turn up.
I enjoy the vlog, isn't it?
I really like his stuff. There's always a vibe. Like, I don't know, it's just a vibe.
So remember my people, we come a big river, I'm in backyard.
There's not a lot of people on these YouTube platforms that I would want to hang out with. But Drizzy and them, definitely.
Season, and you know it's a professional bingy, even set it, and everybody enjoy the meal. Good.
We're not done. We're just starting, actually. Babe, say hi.
Bless up, bless up, bless up.
What's a big boy? Go on, big boy.
Why you really can't carry load?
It's so good.
I look fine, you know, I walk past you, I don't know about this. You can't call friends and Johnny to come here.
Okay.
And in there front. Yeah.
Yeah, climbing there. You can't manage that.
I gotta charge my camera.
Terrible thing, man. I tell him about the football anyway. I tell him about put my foot in a block. And I see a green it, I go from the man say, no touch green it, I shot. God, clean.
Kiss all his face.